Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 10284 County Route 92 on beautiful Loon Lake.
This is a spectacular nature's paradise with 100 feet of gorgeous waterfront and over an acre for exceptional privacy with a main house and a guest house.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends to the lake with phenomenal open living and waterfront views. With a great room featuring a granite kitchen with beautiful cherry cabinetry and an expansive breakfast bar. Open to the living room with a gorgeous fireplace, quarter-sawn oak hardwood floors, and an expansive bay window area with scenic nature and lake views. Plus the hallmark of this home, a wood-vaulted ceiling sunroom with skylights, a wall of windows, and deck and patio access. The perfect spot to enjoy all year round. The first floor also features a charming entryway with beautiful natural woodwork with a built-in bench with a photo wall, all with an adjacent full bathroom. While the finished lower level features great additional space with an expansive bonus room with a stone wall and wood stove, plus a full bathroom, laundry, and great storage.
The excitement continues upstairs with a beautiful staircase and picture window with those amazing lake views, and 2 spacious bedrooms, an office or potential 3rd bedroom, all with beautiful wood ceilings and a full bathroom. Enjoy the elevated nature and lake views when you wake up with the stunning sunrises. This architect designed and quality built home has great craftsmanship and is evident in the details. This amazing guest house features an additional 2-car garage, plus a 2nd floor apartment with living and kitchen areas, 2 bedrooms, and an elevated deck to take in those nature views.
This is the best place to be all summer long. With an entertainment-sized deck with a nautical feel with a rope railing and multiple sitting and dining areas. Plus indulge in the lavish lifestyle with a hot tub, all with panoramic lake views. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 100 feet of lake-level waterfront. With a dock, natural stone landscaping, and a waterfront area perfect for relaxing or waterfront dining after boating or kayaking on the lake. All with an adjacent building lot with 100 feet of beautiful waterfront of its own and over 2 acres for exceptional privacy, or build that beautiful family compound.
You could have it all in this Loon Lake dream home. Loon Lake is a Finger Lakes gem. It was undiscovered and is now being discovered. The next Canandaigua Lake to invest in now. Nearby wine country and everything that the Finger Lakes region has to offer. Also with easy access to Rochester, Syracuse, Buffalo, and the Northeast U.S. What a great place to live!
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 10284 County Route 92 on gorgeous Loon Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!